finally made it to New Orleans, and I got my brother's fried chicken. This is a liquor store, and they sell fried chicken. It's really good and cheap. A 25-piece dark meat meal for $16.99.
Just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good. So why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no. Don't need you here to feel alright. It's crazy how we started off so good. Every single hour with you vanished just like that. But now it feels like I've been trapped, and I can't believe how you don't see it now. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good. So why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no. Don't need you here to feel alright. I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight, but you only make it worse whenever you're around. 'Cause I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no. Don't need you here to feel alright.
Here at Willie Mae's Scotch House, and this is my favorite chicken in the world. This is the best fried chicken. It's really greasy, but it's so good. The flavor is just amazing. Let's give it a try. Oh, so greasy. So good.
Yo, what's up, Street Dogs? This is Todd Hodder from the Eric Kim Street Photography blog. Currently at Willie Mae's, the best fried chicken in the world. Straight up, legit style with my homeboy Justin. Do you see the crispiness on this? So, this follows my ketogenic diet, so it's good. I have to say about it. Nice and oily. Tender. The grease envelops your mouth, and it's just so delicious. It's like you're swimming in chicken fat. I love it. It's almost like you're eating chicken soup, but fried chicken. I love it.